Hi there! TEAMGROUP has a super helpful app. It's for everyone, literally. Comes in handy for both PC and laptop users. Imagine just one click and you can upgrade your capacity without having to buy new memory modules. By the way, want to make some real money?
TFORCE Share. Put simply, with this app, you can rent or share your memory and earn money doing so. Let's say your system has 4000 MHz and 32 GB of memory, but you're only going to watch a movie later this evening, and you know you only need 8 GB, which is more than enough. So, what do you do with that spare capacity? Well, just install the app from our website. After installation, set the price for renting out your memory capacity and how long it's available for. Then click Available Now. When someone requests to rent your excess memory, just click Allow and continue to watch your movie while you earn money.
Pretty awesome, right?
Now, say you just want to relax and play a game during your lunch break at the office. With only one click using TFORCE Share, you can rent memory and transform your office PC into a gaming machine.
By the way, you can use your earned money to borrow someone else's memory or purchase any other TEAMGROUP product.
Click the link in the description below and download our newest app, TFORCE Share. Share more, earn more, play more.